Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this wig, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay divas, so today we have a unit by the Outre Melted Hairline collection. So today we have the style Kamalia. I think I'm pronouncing that right, Kamalia, and I have her in the color number 1. So she is beautiful, and she also has some really beautiful long layers, which if you guys know, my favorite type of wig is with long layers. Okay, I love that. So yeah, as you guys know, in the Melted Hairline collection, they do have the melted HD transparent lace. So it is really nice, blends in really well. I really do love it. I did do a bunch of baby hairs today, okay, but that's just what I like. You definitely don't have to because the hairline looks amazing. This is just what I like personally. So as far as the hair goes and the style and everything, I really do adore it. I feel like the hair texture is absolutely beautiful. It's like a very light yaki texture, and then it just feels like, I don't know, like it feels like you could feel that there's yaki in it, but it's not like that rough synthetic old back in the day type of vibe. And like I said before, the style is very gorgeous. I just love the way the layers are. I love how effortless the curls are, but at the same time they are still beautiful even after you brush them out. I also really like the length, and I like the density. As you guys know, we are entering the summertime, so you want to wear your long wig still, because I know me personally, I still want to wear my long wig, but it has to be a nice density because I don't want to burn up. So this one is definitely a really nice density, and overall I just think the style is really nice. The parting area, the hairline, the style, everything about it is really nice. So I would definitely recommend it. It does come with a little bit of shedding and tangling, which is to be expected because it is a longer synthetic fiber unit. However, it's not anything that is too overwhelming to the point where I'll be like, girl, just run for the hills. Like, no, this is nice. But yeah divas, if you guys are interested in this unit, I will have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Let me know, did you get your hands on her before she sold out? Let me know if you did, then what color did you get, or if you didn't, if you're gonna get her when she goes back into stock. Just talk to me. I want to know what's going on with you. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.